If you are trading on the wrong time frame, you are probably losing money. Most beginners jump into 1 minute time frame and got destroyed in the market. So in this video, I'm going to show you how each time framework works and know when to use each accordingly. What is a time frame? A time frame shows how long each candle represents. For example, on a 1 minute chart, each candle represents 1 minute, and on a 5 minute chart, each candle represents 5 minute time frame, and on a 15-minute chart, each candle represents 15 minutes, and on a 1 hour chart, each candle represents 1 hour, and on a 4 hour chart and also on a 1 day represent accordingly. Okay, we can see it on the 1 minute chart here that we have the 1 minute chart. So this represents the 1 minute candle, what really happened within the 1 minute candle. As you can see, this is a 1 minute candle. So this candle represents, sorry, this is a 15 minute. Let me switch to 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. All right. So I don't know why it's taking long to change to the 1 minute. So this represents the entire 1 minute. This is because it's very fast. It's very fast. It's very fast, as you can see. It's very fast, and it has high noise. Is suitable and best for scalpers. So if you're the kind of person that only scalp, literally you scalp. So 1 minute chart is suitable for you. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a 1 minute chart. So it has high noise. What I mean by high noise is that it does not necessarily give you the clear direction. It's just within a shorter time frame. You understand? So this is 1 minute time frame. So on a 5 minute time frame, it's literally good for intraday trading. 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Let's switch to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So what 15 minutes does is give you a very good chart. It gives you a more clearer chart compared to the 1 minute. So on the 5 minutes, for example, you can say this is sitting at a resistance level. This is SRP USDT is sitting at a resistance level. So this gives you that, say there is a resistance here. Also, there is also a supply up here that needs to be filled. So what the 15 minutes or 5 minute candle does to you is that it gives you the ample time to have a deeper insight compared to the 1 minute. It is lesser noise than the 1 minute or lesser time frame. So, but to have a very bigger holistic approach, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. What does the 1 hour time frame does? So the 1 hour time frame give you um each candle representation of 1 hour. On the 1 hour is looking at, say there is a break here, there is a break on this, which literally means that there is a little uptrend on the 1 hour. If chances require, this SRP may fill in this supply here at 1.47. So this is what the 1 hour candle does. So also on the 1 day, the 1 day or 4 hours, let's look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours give you a bigger picture representation of whatever you're looking for. So on the 1 hour is synonymous to the on the 4 hours is synonymous to the 1 hour chart. You see, it's almost directing towards the same angle that this may break out to this currently. So we're still expecting it to see what will happen. So most importantly to note that let's look at the 1 day chart. If the 1 day chart is corresponding, the 1 day chart is literally corresponding to what the 4 hours says. The 4 hours, there's not much different. As you can see, we are just in between the support, and here is our resistance. So we have a resistance on the 1 day of 1.5 on the SRP USDT. So having seen the chart display that I just showed you above, it is very important to also know that for you to be a successful trader, it is not just for you to just understand a single time frame, it's for you to have a holistic entire time frame, because that alone helps you to know and dictate the trend that is currently happening in the market. Because as a successful trader, you don't play with the trend is your friend. If you are a scalper, for scalping, I recommend 1 minute to 5 minute time frame. It's suitable for scalping within a short period of time because it tells you what is happening within the period of 1 minute to 5 minutes. If you're a day trader, 5 minutes, 15 minutes is best and perfectly for you. But however, as a successful trader, it is very important to look at the entire 1 day chart, to look at the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, to have a view and understanding of what is really happening within the market. That alone will take away the whole noise and fear of going into the market and going out of the market, because when you understand what is happening in the entire time frame, it will help you. Synonymous to those that are trading for swing trading for a longer period, you can also look at the 1 week trading pattern, because the 1 week time frame also give you a broader approach to say, hey, this is where the market is likely to hit within the week, or this is what really happened within this week, and this is the direction is happening this week. So, well, if you're a scalping trader, 1 to 5 minutes is suitable for you. A day trader, 5 to 15 minutes is perfectly okay for you. A swing trader, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day is absolutely okay for swing trading. If you like this video and you want me to drop more, please don't forget to click on subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.